Ebooks are better than paperbacks. I'm sorry to say this, but they are. It's not even a situation like where ebooks are better, but they are just way more convenient. This is Jane Eyre that I am currently reading, and I own the paperback as well as the ebook because I can do so. And I find myself picking up my Kindle way more than my paperback because it is just way more convenient. Nowadays, I don't know why, but I cannot physically pick up a paperback and read them. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I love paperbacks. I adore them. Like, these are two of my favorite books, and these are my annotations. I love annotating. I adore doing things to a book. Like, I highlight, I underline, I fold the corner of the pages that have my favorite quotes in them. I write my thoughts down, I draw in them. I do every single thing that a book lover can do to their book, but still I find them to be really inconvenient. I don't know why, but something's wrong with me, or I just have become this ebook girly that people are on the internet. But ebooks are just so much better. With this ebook, I can just turn this on. First of all, there is this no inconvenience of finding a book heavy or adjusting the book so that the light can fall directly on the page and not cast shadows. With my ebook, I don't have to worry about all that because I can just turn on the brightness to whatever level I desire. I can turn on the warmth, I can even turn on the dark mode, and then just tap 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 and read it. I can also change the text size or font size if I want to. I can change the spacing. I can do whatever I want and turn this into what I desire, into what I find to be convenient. I cannot do so with a paperback. And today I had that realization because no matter how much I tried to pick this up and read it, like read the physical copy of the book, I just couldn't move past 2 pages. Like, I don't know what is wrong with me, but I just cannot pick up a paperback anymore. I find myself buying more and more ebooks than paperbacks because so much more convenient. But what can you do? Like, this is my copy of 1984. I thought that, what, let's start reading it. The text is so small that I thought that, what, maybe I'll just, find some free copy on Amazon because it's 1984. There must be a lot of free copies on there. And yeah, this is my dilemma right now. Like, ebooks or paperbacks?